In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your credit card transactions. By the end of this guide, you'll have the know-how to select and categorize your transactions accurately, ensuring your financial records are perfectly organized and up to date. First, let's start by delving into the process of selecting your credit card transactions. This is an essential step as it ensures you have a thorough understanding of where your money is going and helps you stay on top of your spending habits. Begin by accessing your banking platform. Once you're there, navigate to the section specifically dedicated to credit card transactions. Depending on your banking service, this might be labeled differently, but it's typically within the main banking dashboard. Having a clean and intuitive interface makes this task straightforward, so once you've located your transactions, take a moment to scan through them and familiarize yourself with your recent activity. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview, helping you pinpoint and select the transactions you need to categorize. Once you've selected the transactions in question, it's time to assign the proper categories or accounts. Categorizing transactions is a crucial aspect of managing personal finances because it allows you to analyze your spending patterns, budget more effectively, and identify potential areas where you can save. Most banking platforms will offer a range of preset categories such as dining, groceries, utilities, and more. To categorize, simply click on the transaction itself. You should see a menu or drop-down that offers different category options. Ensure you choose the category that best fits the nature of the transaction. In the case where it might not be explicitly clear, select the option that you believe reflects the transaction most accurately. For those transactions that might span multiple categories, some platforms allow for splits. However, if not, use your best judgment to fit it into one category. This methodical approach will ensure consistency and total clarity in your financial records. Now that you've assigned categories to your transactions, it's crucial to save these changes. This final step is essential to ensure that all your hard work sticks and is ready for future reference. On most banking platforms, there will be a readily visible Save button positioned in a way that you can easily complete this task. Double check your assignments before hitting Save just to ensure everything is as accurate as possible. It's an easy oversight to click through things quickly without verifying, but those extra seconds can make a significant difference in maintaining accuracy. Once saved, you'll have a fully updated and well-organized record of your credit card transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps to select your transactions, assign categories, and save, you're not just staying organized, you're building a habit that contributes to greater financial control. It's these small but targeted actions that cumulatively lead to better budgeting and financial foresight. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has clarified the process for you and empowered you with the tools to better manage your finances.